If you like this kind of video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch the video till the end. Crafting an outdoor coffee table using rocks, cement, and tire. Building a unique wall bookshelf styled like a wooden tree. Creative cement mushroom decorations molded using real orange peels artfully. Turning an old umbrella frame into a stunning flower tower. Making a stylish woven texture concrete planter for colorful flowers. Vertical spiral tower planter growing fresh, delicious red strawberries easily. Crafting a unique hanging lampshade using wooden rings. DIY. Sculpting concrete hands holding a glowing woven sphere light source. Molding floral concrete tiles to create a colorful garden walkway. Making a stylish woven texture concrete planter for colorful flowers.